Hello friends, my name is Daksh Paliwal and today we are going to talk about water cycle. Water cycle has three stages: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. The sun's heat touches the water surface, which is then changed into water vapor and then collected in the cloud. This process is known as evaporation. Process by which water vapor changes into water or cooling down is known as condensation. Sometimes the clouds store very less amount of water. When two clouds are like that, they bang each other and form a big cloud. This is how heavy rain happens. In the sky, small drops of water join together to form a cloud. These droplets become very heavy. They fall on earth as rain, hail or snow. This process is called precipitation. I will show you the practical of these three processes. So now we will start our water cycle experiment. What you need is a transparent sheet of water, some ice, salt, color, spoon, small bowl, big bowl. So, with the starting, I'm going to take my hot water and pour it. Now, I'll take some salt and put it in. Color. Make sure it doesn't use any gap. Now we're going to put some ice above. Now we are going to wait for 10 minutes. The droplet clearly here. It is inside. It is raining. Small droplets will join together and become heavier. This is how rain will happen. Look, these all small droplets are forming together and then ready to rain. Just not to happen. Now 10 minutes are over. I'll remove the ice. Now slowly take this. Now I'm going to slowly take this out and making sure that here I have a bowl And here you can see clean water has been formed. I could only store this much, but you can see as the water was green color in here, it changed into the normal state. You see, this salty and dirty water has been left here and the fresh water has been collected in the bowl by the process of precipitation. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.